Guys, so we're gonna do the manufacturing plant. So this is what I meant. I'm just doing a short video. This is what I meant about the manufacturing plant. So that's our welder. So he's taking the parts and the pieces. Look at that. That's what we need, a puppy nail. So right there, I can't the video going, or I'm trying to block the sound out because of the video. But yeah, that's the so I can try to block the frog out or the noise out from that, so I don't get copyright strike. But there you go. That's that. See, there's my roof, not a tarp. And then over here is the another part of the plant. That's where's Jerson at? Behind us? On the side? Yeah. Oh, he's at JB's? Oh, okay. So that's Athen and Jay there, and they're pre-making the parts, and then are you painting, Jessica? And Jessica's painting the. So after when she gets it, they end up like this. Whoops, sorry. So that's what we got. We got a manufacturing plant of orchid poles. Look at that. So like I told them, it doesn't matter if we have 500-600 orchid poles.